Wise and Foolish Nation by Michelle Williams. Our nation is not ready for Jesus. Everyone talks about the February 14th shooting at Stoneman Douglas High School at Parkland, Florida. But since then, 12 more shootings have occurred on college and high school campuses, with the most recent being at Forest High School in Florida on April 20th. So far, 20 shootings on school grounds have occurred in 2018. The April 20th shooting was on the 19th anniversary of the Columbine shooting. Students were getting ready to take part in a national walkout to protest gun violence in schools. The shooter was a dropout student who walked into the school building with everyone else. He entered a bathroom and shot a boy in the ankle. When he heard the boy scream, reality sunk in and he felt horrible for what he had done. The school entered an immediate lockdown and surrendered to an armed deputy within 3 minutes. Shootings on school grounds have gotten out of control, with 220 since Columbine in 1999. Most shooters carry a grudge, were bullied, or mentally unstable. Debates rage on about gun control or arming teachers. These are not wise answers to healing the damage from the deranged shooter. Jesus shared the parable of the wise and the foolish virgins in Matthew 25, 1-13. While waiting for the bridegroom, the wise virgins took oil in the vessels with their lamps. They were ready when the bridegroom had arrived and went with him into the wedding feast. The foolish virgins took their lamps but with no extra oil. When they were buying oil when the bridegroom had returned, the door was shut when they returned. They pleaded, "Lord, open to us." But the Lord replied, "I don't know you." For God has opened the door for us to know him, but that door will not be opened forever. Parable message. Watch therefore, you know neither the day nor the time in which the Son of Man is coming. People truly seeking Christ are filled with the anointing of the oil and enter Christ's goodness. People not seeking Christ are not prepared and totally missing out. People shooting up schools have no relationship with Christ. We need to reach the unchurched. Too many teens are being raised with no moral compass. They are not prepared to handle the stress of daily life. Shooting schools are an outcry of mentally unstable people. The answer is not putting guns in the hands of teachers. The answer is not more security guards. The answer is Jesus. Get the church teaching back into the public schools. Reach and teach the teens to know Christ. Prepare for when the bridegroom will come. Make wise choices. If teens are equipped with the gospel, they can help mentally or emotionally unstable people and reduce bullying. If adults create Christian outreach options, more teens would be saved. If we prepare our lamps with the oil of love, then healing can occur. If hurt people get help, then they will not have the goal of becoming the next school shooter. Pray for real. Our nation is not ready for Jesus to return. Most Americans are like the foolish virgins, looking for Christ but leaving before he arrives. Unfortunately, too many people are not looking for Christ at all. Pray for those who don't know the Lord. Reach out, befriend, and love the unlovable as Christ did for us.